To sign up for a move-in time for the fall 2020 semester, first log into your housing portal. Once logged into your housing portal, scroll down to the Room Assignments section on the home page. Here, you'll see your fall assignment as well as the move-in process that you are eligible to participate in. Please be sure to read the short paragraph underneath the move-in process title, as this contains important information related to physical distancing and safety protocols for fall move-in. Next, you should see a drop-down menu. This will default to None Selected. Once you click the drop-down menu, you will then see all of the move-in days and times for the move-in process. Please note that there are a limited number of students allowed to sign up per time slot in order to be in compliance with state physical distancing guidelines. With that in mind, we recommend having a backup time slot in mind should your first choice be full. Once you decide which time slot you would like, select that time and click Update My Time. If that time slot is full, you will see a bold message above the move-in process name indicating that you need to choose a different slot. As you can see here, the bold message says there are no available spaces remaining in the time slot you selected. So you will then want to re-click the drop-down menu and select a different time. Then you will click Update My Time. If the time slot is not full, you will then see the bold message that says your time slot has been updated. And the drop-down menu that previously said None Selected will then be populated with your move-in date and time. Please note that you will not be redirected to a confirmation page. Additionally, it is important that you do not change your time slot, as this will sign you up for 2 move-in times. Once you log out of your housing portal, if you forget what date and time you signed up for, you can log back in and scroll down to this Room Assignments tab, and you will see your move-in date and time. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact the Office of Residence Life at 216-397-4408 or by emailing us at jcureslife@jcu.edu.